Okay, this is putting together the pans and the frame so that the food during the two-cat can stay at a constant temperature. So here you have the container. It has a container for water, it has the two containers for food, and it has the sterno, which is the way in which we keep the food warm. Alright, so then we take everything out of the package, and this is a container for the water, and that's the hot water is what heats the food, and so you have to make sure that you put enough water in the container, and I would suggest you put at least 1 inch of water, 1 inch to 3/4 of water in the container, so that it will continue to heat while the food is on top. So the next thing we do is we put the food, sometimes the containers are the same size as this container, so you can just transfer the food from the restaurant right here like this. Sometimes it's not, so you may have to transfer the food into this container. Then you take the sterno and you open it up. It's actually called a chafer wick fuel. And you take either a lighter or a match. If you take a match, you want to make sure to pull the match out, close the box, light the match, and then hold the sterno up so you can see when it catches fire. And it's caught fire. You'll see a blue flame right next to the wick, and you'll see an orange or yellow flame right above it. Blow out the match, make sure that it doesn't go into the garbage can because it will cause a fire. You might even just put some water on the match so it's out, you know it's out. Then you take the sterno, the chafer wick fuel, and there's a little place, there's a place for both of them, underneath on the frame. This begins to boil the water and keep the food warm. You take the other one and do the same exact thing for the other side. Of course, if you have no food left, you would want to put it out. So either when the food is gone or when you're finished, then you take out the sterno. Be very careful not to burn yourself. And the way to put it out is to take the cap, put it over top of the flame, and then screw it down, and that puts the flame out. And that's pretty much it.